Where's Rick?
I'm
Don't care. Where's Rick?
Watch your game, another vibes. It's your boy, the one and only Geelbooi. Yeah, but I'm gonna get this medal. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog, bro. So today I'm expecting like a delivery from Take a Lot. I bought something that I've always wanted to get, but I couldn't get the means of getting it. You feel? So today, like, is gonna pull through. Like, I was able to get it after such a long time. Everybody, like, my friends know how badly I wanted this, and then it was so expensive at the time. I couldn't. So I had to budget the money so that like I can have something in my room. I'll just show you what I'm expecting. Like, because I think I'm expecting delivery today. I got the message from Take a Lot today, and I'm so excited that I was able to get myself this thing. Thing is, bro, like, to keep a house, to buy yourself shanties out of your own hard work, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of hard, especially like when you're not sponsored by anything. No parents, no. It is possible, but through hard work, you know. So I had to put on the work so that I can be able to get this and this. And I did. I'm glad. So I'll just show you, and then we'll just unwrap it, and everything. So stay tuned. It's just key. Bro, like you carve that moment, man. That moment you did order something online, and then you just press that add to cart payment. You did that. And then you just like already automatically you want your shoulders like to be here with you. Like already. You don't want to wait. Bro, like waiting is so much, bro. It was me, man. Paying things online. Payment. Now I just want my things like here with me, bro. Now I have to wait. And then now I've been waiting for my shanties, bro. Like I was like, They'd be like, your parcel is gonna be here before 5 o'clock. Bro, I want it now. Like, I want it now. Don't you understand that I need it now? Now I have to wait. Now I have to wait. And one thing that I've heard people telling me about, yo, Geelbooi, you need to post what you do on a daily. Guys, on a daily, let me brief you out before like the package comes here. What I do on a daily, I don't do anything, bro. What I do is just create content for YouTube, or maybe try to do some reactions, music reactions, video reactions, other like videos, like funny videos, and then play my games, bro. I just play games. It's content, games, personal life, in check, content. I'm telling you, like, I'm a gamer, dog. I like to play my Call of Duty. I like to play my FIFA. Fortnite, I feel like it's kind of hard for me. It's not hard like that, but people kill so badly, bro. Yo. So I don't know how will I post my daily vlogs. Just give me ideas. Just give me ideas, and then we'll work on those ideas. You feel? Cause like in the future, I wanna start streaming. You feel? I wanna start streaming. Maybe on Kick or Twitch, but I still need some serious equipment. I need to get myself a chair. I need a chair also. I need a gaming chair. I need a webcam or cam straight or another phone. You feel? So that I can be able to. Cause my life is basically inside my dorm, bro. I don't wanna lie. My life is basically inside my dorm, throughout every day. So with the vlogs, bear with me. I'ma share them when I have time and all that. Yeah. I feel like that's safe. I'm still waiting for the package. I hate waiting like this, bro. I can't even focus. I need to watch my series now. When I watch my diary, Vampire Diaries, yeah, we'll continue. Bro, like, I feel like waiting this long to get your parcel, like, it has to be a crime, bro. Like, how should I wait for? Now it's been 3 hours waiting, like, and the clock is ticking, bro. Like, I just want my parcel, bro. Give me my parcel. Oh. Like, why don't you wanna give me my parcel? Am I not worthy to get my parcel? Wait, is this an Eteru? Wapenishka, you checking my card. Come out. Guys, it's not every day like you see such a young Teru. It's been a while. Cause like not having a Teru will make you look like a child. It makes me look like a small banyan, and I'm not. I'm actually like old and all that, but I'm not showing, bro. People think I'm 16. No, actually like 17, eh? The other one said, you look 16. I was like, what? How 16, bro? But my child is now, it has to be a crime for one to wait this long for that parcel, bro. I can't wait this long for this parcel, bro. And I'm out here checking, tracking the parcel, man. Still like on deliveries. From what time, bro? What time did I wake up, bro? Thinking about maybe around 12 to 2 years. When I go more guy, I'll say, nah, bro. Now I have to play my games. I have to watch a series for me to be entertained. I have to play my games for me to be entertained. I have to eat and eat and eat and eat until I cock. How you do? And then, like, don't forget to subscribe, man. Where's the cam? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Yeah, and then comment your thoughts. And then tell me what to do on the next vlog and stuff like that. Yeah. So, let's just wait. I'm trying to be patient, but I'm not. I know I'm not. I'm not, bro. It's hard, but what am I gonna do now? At long last, after the longest time, the driver just sent me a text. He outside. Oh. Now let's just get the shanties. Get the shanties and get it done with. He said he arrived, but I don't see him. Come on, Jimmy, where you at? You gotta add something. Where you at, though? Bro said he arrived. Where you at? Arrived where? Send me live location. Bro, I sent the bro a live location and then it's not here. Oh. Here he is. I wanna believe that he Earth money. Ah, can I get him? Did you feel it?
Danko. Uthenga yena umshini ne?
Fridge.
Oh, fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, mlungu man. Yabo sikuphatheleni. Gifake.
Yo, le.
Le na.
Yeah. Brand new. Damn.
Yes.
I've seen it.
No. I got a still kakhulu plus wena isikore yabo.
Mina
Yeah.
mina ngiscore next.
Abantu siyabonga man.
Awubonge mina.
Wenza into enhle ngokuthenga la i-take a lot man.
Yeah.
Yeah, wenza into enhle. Yawathi nesasebenza ngenxa yakho.
Ah, feel.
It's a good thing.
Ubonga mina nje yo.
Yabo. Ngicela u-order futhi ne.
Yeah.
Ngokubona kusasa. Ngilethela mina ungawazi.
Ah, feel.
Ngilethela njalo.
Yabo.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Shocking.
Oh, yeah. This shit heavy. This shit heavy, bro. Ooh. Bro, here's my new baby. Here's my new baby. I'm glad, bro. I wanna lie. Like I'm glad. I'm glad I was able to get myself this shanties, you feel me? It's a nice feeling, I don't wanna lie. Let's unwrap. Bro, so finally the package is here. You feel? So now let's just unwrap. You feel me? So the brew is here. Hey Joe, before I break, man, yo. One more. That's the whole purpose of the vlog. The new fridge. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for more audience. Road to 10K. And I appreciate for 1K subscribers. Bro, like before I end the video, one thing I like to say is that I'm proud of myself, bro. I'm proud of myself. Like with everything that I have in this house that I bought with my own money. I don't know how. I don't know how, but God did. Like I don't know how I get the money. But yeah, God did. Like literally, I just wanna be thankful to the Almighty and everybody who supports me in any way, bro. I see you guys. I see you fuck with me. I fuck with y'all heavy on that. So yeah, thank you for making me who I am today. Without like wasting your precious time. I appreciate. You hear me? I appreciate. Love. So yeah, I think that's the cue.